We're looking at something quite rare where whether you're an upsizer or downsizer, this home meets you exactly where you are at. Whether you have maybe mobility issues or if you have a growing family and you want to stay close to the kids, every single room in this home is on the same floor and no stairs. With the popularity of multi-generational living, looking after your parents, this also works very well for you. You can see just within the complex itself, it is well landscaped. They take great care of this, and this is located in the best part of this entire complex. There are a ton of amenities in this building. You can probably hear the kids playing in the pool. There's basketball courts, and three things that are quite surprising when I took a look at this listing that you're going to want to stick around. One of them at the very end is what ties this whole complex together. So let's get inside the unit and I'll show you what we're talking about. This is what we're going to be walking you through today here. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, rancher-style townhome that actually feels like a detached property. And the first surprise that really brought me into this home was just the amount of ceiling height and space. When you're going up into here, because it has some of this peaked roof, it really brings in a lot of the light because this is a corner unit. This is a huge win when you're looking for a townhouse in a complex like this. You don't want to be sandwiched in the middle. You want to be on the edge. And that's what brings in a ton of this light. Not to mention the unreal backyard, which we're going to show you. You can hang out in here and watch the kids play all day. Just for you guys at home, to show you the space here, I actually have 12'6" ceiling heights, just so you can understand the scale. You can see here I'm about 6'3". It's a space that makes it seem a lot larger than it actually is. This home was completely repainted in 2025 and has vinyl plank flooring as well. That was an upgrade, as well as new appliances. This is the living space here, which is amazing. You can see that they have a sectional and a sitter here for the chair. And if you wanted to look at the width here in real time, we have 16'9" width, followed by 13 foot to the fireplace. You have these nice built-ins here to be able to keep shelving, everything nice and tidy, kids' toys and all that. You can just see, this is a really good tip for anyone who's looking to buy. When someone can keep their storage space this meticulous, you know that you are buying into a home that has been well cared for here. So it does have a fireplace, gas-powered fireplace here, which can help with the heat. And like I said, with these accentuated ceiling heights here, I like the shiplap style, and it works really well with the space here as well. As we turn the unit around, this is your dining area. And you can see here, you have more than enough space to have a nice large dining space. You can easily get 6 people here. It has the light. Again, it has a nice window coming out to help with that natural light. And it's really good for entertaining here. And it does give you some options too. Obviously, everything needs to be done with Strata approval. This was updated in 2020. But if you wanted to extend the kitchen and remove a wall like this, you know, that can give you some flexibility if you're planning to stay here for some time. The kitchen here in the back has had those updates from the stone countertops here, stainless steel appliances, and they've done a really good job in terms of being able to get a lot of the cabinet spaces. It does not seem compartmentalized because where my cameraman is, that's actually the entryway. So it does feel very open, and with the cabinets here, a ton of space, right? We got the Maytag microwave here and the nice appliances here. And why I open this up, again, it just speaks to the cleanliness of the unit. It doesn't even look like anyone has cooked in the space at all. Everything is nice and labeled for you, so it's move-in ready. If you don't know what to pack in, that has already been taken care of from you. Again, another window has been brought in here, and you can see with these windows, they have had some replacement. The building and the unit and the development as a whole has been very well maintained. You can see that in the Strata minutes. It's got the beautiful sink here right into the window. So again, if you have kids out there, and my clients have 3 young kids, they love opening the door, watching them play outside all day. You got the Bosch stainless steel dishwasher, and you can see with the dog food here, it is pet friendly here. So if you have pets, this is a perfect unit for you because we have a massive backyard that we're going to show you. And then it comes with some of these deep cabinets as well for your pots and pans. This is just perfect for it. And then we wrung it out with a Fisher & Paykel fridge here as well for all your appliance needs. So this is completely move-in ready, does not need any work whatsoever. Back here is a little bit of a utility space, your laundry room, utilities. And you can see here we have the Electrolux washer and dryer that have been recently replaced, so there's no issue in terms of having to get new ones. And this one in here also has your hot water tank for the unit. And back in here, they actually have a deep freeze as we get into here a little bit, and has actually been used as an office and some storage here too. So this is a little bit of a bonus section. This does not have a storage locker attached to these units, but this would be considered your storage space here. And then out front, it actually has 2 side-by-side parking as well. So let's get back out. We're going to walk you through this direction just so you can see what this looks like. Coming to the kitchen, you know, when you have people that are coming in, you can see they have the hooks on the wall for the jackets. They can come into the kitchen or go into the space. And then this is where we're going through to walk into the main living space, and we're going to go into the bedrooms, and then we're going to hit that backyard. So as we come across the unit, just so that you can see everything in reverse order, one thing I did not show you was just this huge closet space here. So again, kids games, a lot of toys. So if you are a growing family, this has a ton of storage in here for all your jackets. It's deep enough where they actually have cabinetry in there for shoes. And this is a 3-ply in terms of the door selection here. So this is a very nice entryway closet, way larger than normal. And then we have the 2 bedrooms off the side here. So this one here is the secondary bedroom, and it's set up very nicely for a kid's room. You got the bunk beds here, a nice large window, blackout blinds to help them sleep, and there's just a ton of space in here. If you're wanting to know at home exactly what these dimensions are, we have a 12'5" by 9'5". So you have a ton of space here. Maybe you don't have young children, maybe you have older children, you have no problem getting a king size bed in here or whatever it may be. It can work as an office or a guest room if you're out of that stage of life and you're more so looking for a downsize from your detached home. We have the nice bathroom here, which again is on the main floor. We got the tub surround here with the new tile, updated tile here, and then all your elements here. It's a nice large vanity as well with a lot of storage underneath the space here. A medicine cabinet, and does the trick very, very well for you. And as we get into the primary bedroom here, this is going to be on the other side with another window here that brings in a lot of light from the street side. If you're wanting to know the dimensions here of this unit, this one is going 11 foot by 12'5". So obviously it's the primary, it's a little bit larger. Again, this is a queen size bed here. If you wanted to get a full king, you can definitely do that. And then it has these large 3-paneled closets here, well used. And again, kids are the theme here. So we do have actually a little space where they have some storage here for a crib, but you can have a lot of space in here for all your clothing. So like I said, whether you're an upsizer or a downsizer, it really meets you in the middle and helps both stages of life. So let's get into the backyard, because this is actually the crown jewel, I think, in my opinion, of this whole space. A lot of people can have a townhouse, a lot of people can have a duplex, but they don't have a yard, right? And if you are looking to entertain, if you're looking to have children to get out of your hair and you don't want them to be down the street, you can completely open up the door here. And we open up into this beautiful cabana here. And what I love about the backyard space is that it's fully manicured, fully landscaped with these great hedges. The hedges are about 6 or 7 feet high. The strata obviously takes care of that. This is not your cost. And this is what you have here. This is about a 40-foot width by 17-foot depth. They put this beautiful cabana here with the patio equipment. So whether you're looking to have a barbecue, entertain, or just having the kids out, it's perfectly designed for that. You can see they have the kids table here. It's World Cup right now, so super on brand. You can have your World Cup games. You can have your watch parties in the back. And this is just such a bonus to be able to have a townhouse and a yard that is this large. It also comes with this shed. So again, storage can sometimes be an issue. It is not an issue in here, as we have this. It is fully waterproofed, and it does have that strata approval because of those dynamics. This is totally usable. Strata is aware, because sometimes that can be a concern with it too. The yard does move a little bit over here, and what's nice, they actually do have a drain in the backyard. Sometimes you get into these backyards, it's super wet, it's super swampy. This is not the case. It has been drained here, and it's in such a nice little pocket of the complex itself. The one piece that really pulls this whole property together is the community that has been built here. This is a beautiful complex with beautiful people. You make lasting relationships, and the amenity center that was just recently updated as well. It has a pool that is heated for the majority of the year from May to September. There's basketball courts, a workout room, a place that you can rent out as an amenity space as well. And this unit here is located in the best pocket of the entire complex. It's super quiet. This is a large space. Some of the end units there can back onto Fraser Highway. It's super, super loud. If you're walking here, there's nothing that you can hear. You can actually hear birds chirping as well. So within the space here, when you have that new SkyTrain stations going into Langley, this is going to up the value of this property. It's really very much well maintained here. You have future improvements such as the SkyTrain, and there's really no more that you want. Close shopping to Willowbrook Mall. There's schools nearby, and more importantly, you're buying into a development that is well taken care of in a well taken care of home.